In today's video, we're going to see if the Cerakote headlight restoration kit, no tools required, link in the description, can bring back to life our 2005 STI headlights that are looking gross. There's a pinned comment down below of when we're going to finish this and what's the plan and why we haven't been working on it. Well, we're good though, we'll get there. Quick backstory, I bought this 2005 hail damage STI to swap everything over to that two-door coupe that you just saw. I wanted to build a race car out of it, but it's just not in the cars right now, and I need to make space because Karma Speed is booming in ways that I didn't imagine and didn't plan for. I found a buyer for a price that I'm happy with, and I got to pull off some parts that I get to keep to put towards when I do build a race car out of one of these. I have extra parts. With those extra parts being 3 doors, rear bumper, crash bar, rear bumper, trunk, wing, and tail lights, and then the headlights inside. There's a million WRXs out there. I'm gonna have no problem finding a shell to build a race car out of. MSRP on Amazon $24.99. It is on sale as I just checked it. It's for $16. Randall, you started using this all the time. You want to tell them how you use it outside of the Karma Speed operation? Yes. And your opinions on it.
Some of my customer cars that come in with dingy headlights, they think it's super complex to do. There are a lot of kits out there on the market. This is the only one that I've actually had good luck with. So I actually, with some of my customer cars, if their headlights are bad enough, I'll go ahead and just do it for them. And if the headlights aren't really that bad at all, I'll just go straight to 3000 and just kind of give them a light scuff. And then I'll go in there with the ceramic wipes. So this stuff, I mean, it's super versatile how you can use it.
Heading inside the box, just took the sticker off the top. What you get, oh, I'm thinking way too far ahead. I got gloves, you don't even need them. They got them in the box for you. Plenty of extras. Step 1, oxidation remover, more oxidation remover. Step 2, we sand the headlight down with that and the sandpaper. And step 3, we have our ceramic coating, which will be right at the end. If you want to see their video how to do it, you can scan this code on this and go check out their video. Got some Superior Image waterless wash. Let's go ahead and clean this thing before we even get started. The least we can do. I have no idea what's on this thing. If you're wondering, can I do this on the vehicle? Yes, you can tape around the headlight with painter's tape, or just not do it at all and just get after it and you'll have the same exact results. It's just nice that these are off the car and these are off that shell. Comes with 2 step 1s for each headlight. I'm gonna go ahead and use all of them to give us the best possible results. We're gonna go in circular motions on the headlight until this wipe is soiled. So you can see the oxidation is starting to wipe off. It's like oily, if that paints a picture at all how it would feel, kind of how sticky it is. It's kind of like you're rubbing 5W40 all over the headlight. As you can see, I'm still pulling oxidation off. That's why there's so many wipes. Every headlight's gonna be a little different. The whole thing is kind of just orange. Freshie, let's see how much comes out of this one. Number 3 soiled, on to number 4. I think that's about good. Let's go ahead and clean this off. If you get the oxidation remover wipe residue on your paint, you're going to want to remove it immediately. Nothing to stress about. Just go get a microfiber or a rag and get it off your paint as soon as possible. Okay. Step 2, got my phone out. You'll see why in a second. Step 2 baggie here. Red sanding disc. This is P2000 grit. Now, we're gonna do side-to-side motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep the surface wet throughout this process. Set timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
It's good to spray this too. And if your headlight starts to get foggy, you're doing the right thing. These aren't very flat. I'm used to working on pretty flat headlights. It's important that you get the sanding pretty even across the whole thing, or else you will notice some spots will have more clarity than others. This spot over here in the corner is a little easy to forget about, so I'm gonna make sure I just keep an eye on that, especially up here in this corner. And this is where it looks the worst it's ever gonna look, is in this process. Don't forget your edges. It says 2 to 3 minutes. I did 3. These need some love. Why not? It's like I'm playing a guitar. Don't do that way. Maybe I should do this way. Alright. played the crap out of that thing. Let's do it again. Now we're gonna switch to the gray, which is 3000 grit. Swap it over, get her nice and wet. Start strumming. The goal is you want this thing to be completely hazy when we're done. You want that. And yes, this is right before the end. Should you be scared? Nah. Will you be on your first time? Yeah. I want to take the time right now to invite you to join our community, karmaspeed.com. Go enter your email, go cop some of the merch, see what we got going on promotion-wise. It might be a car, it might be a trip, might be a sim racing setup, might be a down period and you just want to support the boys. Could be a lot of things. We have some stuff I can't even say because I don't want to give it away because we haven't launched it yet. The only way you would know once we came out with something cool to get you involved in as a car person, someone who enjoys cars, is if you're on our email list. So join our newsletter at the very minimum on karmaspeed.com. Keep your eye out on the emails. Working every day to make those better. We're gonna let you know about sales. We're gonna let you know about when cool things happen, videos, lives, joining Zoom calls to talk with the team, XYZ. We just want you to be a part of the Karmaspeed community is all. And we're gonna come out with some sick products in the meantime and opportunities because I wanna build Karmaspeed to be a company that puts people like yourself in a seat and go do something fun that I would like to go do for anyone on the Karmaspeed team. So if you like that idea, follow our Instagram, Karmaspeed, follow our newsletter with the email on the website, Karmaspeed YouTube channel, see what Seti's up to, Randall, myself, it's all going down over there. It's a whole team effort. And then over here, it's just me, which I appreciate being here. All right, so now let's clean the surface. This weird stuff is coming off with sandpaper. Whatever this is a little Extreme 3M Scotch Brite Red. This is the only thing that got that weird stuff off the corner of this headlight. So I'm gonna follow up so it doesn't look uneven, which it will, with first bit of sandpaper, match the grit in those areas I touched, and then come back to it. This headlight's gonna look so good. I used every bit of that sandpaper. All right, coming back to this, 3000. That is what you want. Finished product. I could do a better job in this crevice right here. That's why this sponge is flexible, so I'm gonna do that. So now this line right here is looking even and the same. I'm gonna go set this outside so I can get it to completely dry, and then we'll do the final step. While I wait for this one to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same process on the other headlight. Second headlight is sanded. Now is a great time to make sure that your coverage with your sandpaper looks even enough to your standards. The more even it is, the better it's gonna be. I am happy with this, and I feel good that once I apply the ceramic coating, the part that makes this headlight pop here in a second, that it's gonna look good. I feel good. Let's do the fun part. Step 3, ceramic headlight restoration, ceramic clear coating, the sauce. One for each headlight. We're gonna do 50% overlay. Let's start from the bottom. Shoot, you really want to paint this on evenly. I just had a drip right there. It's all right. Get all your outside edges. Woo! How we looking? We miss any spots? Looks good. It's gonna dry, it's gonna harden, protect it from the UV harmful rays from the sun. We'll let this one dry. Let's wipe the other one. Dang. I need to show you this. What a transformation. And that, my friends, is why you should not be scared of when it gets to looking really bad. I don't know, my dad would say something like this. Just like life, it's gotta get ugly before it can get pretty. And it usually gets really ugly before it gets really pretty. Same with Cerakote headlight restoration. Another one, shall we? Let's go all the way across again. Go around our edge. You'll love to see it. If you need to restore your headlights, you can grab one of these kits with the link in the description. This also does support the Karma Speed team here. Make sure you check out our website, as well as our YouTube channel, our Instagram. Follow along, join our community. We have a lot of fun things that there's about 9 of us full-time working on, so we'd really appreciate just simply checking this out, watching any of the content, see the website. We appreciate you so much. Let's show the before and after clips.
Looks solid.
Whoa! Solid or what?
10 times better.
Whoa! That's night and day.
Yeah, they look brand new now. For 05.
Looks newer than mine.
Thanks so much for stopping by. If you want to check out a video of Randall, Seti, and myself having a good time putting new wheels and tires on the Silverado, you can click this video right here. We also do a huge electrical upgrade so that it does not get me stranded and it keeps the car nice and cool, have plenty of power electrically for this truck. Go check out this upgrade right here. We'll see you there.